Hello everyone, I hope you're all well and welcome to another Winning Wednesday training session. For the next few minutes, we will talk about online ordering through your back office and the different payment authentication steps required per bank. So right now we're on the dashboard. To get started with our order, we have three different ways to choose from. The first ordering option is on the left where we have the shop button. The second is the third option on the top panel where it says shop. And you can choose the shop products menu or the item quick order menu to get started with your order. And the third way to place your order is by using the search products option here at the top. So for now, I'll just choose the shop products menu. And when you click on it, it will redirect you to this page. Now on the left, we have various categories which are extremely helpful when searching for products. And in the middle, we have our products arranged in alphabetical order. So as you can see there, it goes from A to Z, which makes it convenient during your ordering process. So to get your order started on this page, all you have to do is click on the image of the product. And then it'll bring up a description of the product. It'll bring up the price and it'll bring up the PV and the BV of the product. So let's go ahead and click on Add to Cart. And to finalize the order, I'll click on Checkout. But as you can see, should you still need to add more products, you have an option to continue shopping. But for now, I'll just click on Checkout. So now it will require you to enter your shipping information. So as you can see, we have three different shipping options. The first one is I'd like to pick up my order. This option you'd use if you'd like to collect it at the distribution center or a hub. And then the second one is I'd like to pick up my order in a 𝗡𝗘𝗢𝗟𝗚 or store or home. And the last one is I'd like to ship my order. And this option you use for home deliveries. And then if you scroll down, if we click on the down arrow, it will show us the different provinces where we can collect the order. So I'll choose Eastern Cape for now. And then just make sure to click on apply filters so that it can show you the different locations under Eastern Cape. So to choose the location, all you have to do is click on the circle and then make sure that the pickup name is already entered and also enter your email address for the order confirmation. Once you're done, click on use this location. And then it will take you to the review page. So at this point, we can still edit the order and we can still edit the information. So as you can see, you can still edit the shipping information. You can still edit your payment method. And then if you scroll down, you have an option to enter neo-life instructions. So if, for example, you'd like the courier service to deliver on a specific day, you can enter those instructions in this field. And once you're done typing it out, please click on Submit Instructions so that the office can receive the instructions. And as you can scroll down, you'll see that you still have an option to edit your order. So should you still want to add more items, you can click on Add More Items. If you want to add more to the quantity, all you have to do is click on the up arrow. And then it will update your order. And then as you can see on the right hand side, it gives us a summary of the total, the PV, the BV, and then if you're ready to place your order, all you have to do is click on place order. And then at this point, you'll get the order confirmation with your order number. And then the next step is to pay for our order. So the back office offers us two different payment gateway options. The first one is PayGate, which allows you to pay via credit, debit card, and EFT. And the second one is 𝗓𝗓𝗡, which allows you to pay via credit and debit cards. So now let us see the payment gateway and the different authentication processes required per bank. So I'll go ahead and choose PayGate and then click on Continue. Okay, so this is what our payment system looks like. As you can see, we have two payment options. The first one is card payments and the other is secure EFT. I have chosen Absa Bank as my preferred bank. So on the next page, it will require me to enter my card information. So as you can see, it needs the cardholder name, the card number, the expiry date, and the CVV number, which is usually the three numbers at the back of the card. And then once you're done filling it all in, you can click on Next. And then after adding your card details, the below screen will pop up. And at this stage, you'll be required to enter the OTP number. So please have your cell phone handy so that when you get the OTP via SMS, you can enter it in this block. Once you have entered the OTP number, you'll see the below confirmation order screen. So this is basically your order confirmation with the order number, and you also have an option to print the invoice. So remember I mentioned that my preferred bank was ABSA. So let us look at the other banks and see what the authentication process is. So for Capitec users, the options at the beginning are pretty much the same. You have to choose your payment option, and then you'll also have to enter your card details and then click on next. And then at this point, you will open up your Capitec app to authorize the transaction. And once approved on the app, please click on confirm. So this is what the page would look like. You just have to click on confirm to process the payments. And once you've confirmed it, you'll get the below order confirmation. And now let's look at FNB users. So for FNB account holders, the options are the same at the beginning. You choose your payment method, you enter your card details, and after adding your card details, please select next, and the below page will pop up. And you have to open up your FNB mobile app immediately and approve the transaction. So once you've approved the transaction, you'll get this notification that says your online purchase has been verified. Please revert to the merchant page for payment confirmation. And then you click on finish. And once confirmed, the page will refresh and you'll receive an order confirmation with your order number. And then for standard bank account holders, the options are also the same in the beginning. You choose your payment method and then you enter your card details and click next. After adding your card details, select next and the below notification will pop up on your mobile device. Select 1, which means yes, to approve the transaction, and then you click on send. So as you can see in the picture, you just click on 1 or you enter 1 and then you click send. And then you enter the OTP verification code you receive via SMS on your mobile phone device and click confirm. So as you can see, you enter the OTP here and then you click on confirm. Once you have entered the OTP verification code, you will see the below confirmation screen, which says authentication completed, thank you. So that means you've basically processed the payments, and once confirmed, the page will refresh and you'll receive an order confirmation with your order number as below. And yet again, you have the option to print the invoice. So that's it from me for today. Thank you so much for participating in this training. And I know it's been a lot of information to take in, but I hope it's been beneficial and helpful. Thank you.